Alright, so if you've been experiencing noise cancellation issues with your AirPods Pro 2, then in this video I'll show you the best settings to get the best noise cancellation out of your AirPods Pro 2 right here. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is first go to your settings and then go to your AirPods Pro 2 settings, and then under noise cancellation you're going to want to make sure you turn on noise cancellation. So nothing should be on right here. Wait, I have to put in my two headphones real quick. So nothing should be on right here. So just noise cancellation for that one right there. And then if you scroll down a bit, under audio right here, nothing should be on there. So personalized volume, that should be off. Conversation awareness, that should be off. And loud sound reduction, that should also be off. And then you just want to double check up in the quick settings right here to make sure those are actually off. So right here you're going to want to make sure that conversation awareness is also off, and when you go to noise cancellation you're going to want to make sure that adaptive mode is also off, transparency mode is off. Only thing should be on is noise cancellation, and that's the best settings for noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro 2. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please consider liking this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if this video wasn't helpful to you, then check this other video out on my channel where I show you more ways on how you can fix the noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro 2. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.